Have you ever been outside just admiring your flowers, and while doing so you notice all these little green and brown bugs all over them? Well, these are aphids, and that is what we're going to be looking at and talking about today. So let's get into the video. Alright, so we are now under the microscope and we are looking at our aphids. And this aphid looks like it's having a baby. Either that aphid is sitting on that dude's face or it's having a baby. Anyway, that's interesting. Which brings me into a point, because aphids can actually reproduce asexually, meaning when they produce this way, they don't lay eggs, but rather they lay live offspring. So I don't know if that's what we just witnessed, but they can do that. Anyway, aphids can be a huge menace to your plants because they will tap into the plant and start to suck up the sap that's in the plant. And that can cause the plant to have stunted growth, or a common thing that you'll notice is you'll notice on your flowers or your fruit, there will be spots, typically brown spots. And they can also produce, or they can spread viruses from plant to plant by coming into contact with different plants. Another thing they do is they can attract ants. And if you don't want ants, then you don't want these guys. Many people know that these things will produce a sticky substance that ants like, and ants will stick around these guys to eat that. So here we can see the pulse, and we can see we're just going to be looking at the different body parts of this thing. And now this is a green aphid, and we will look at a brown aphid after we're done looking at this. Also, please remember to like and subscribe, and comment below what you would like to see under the microscope, and I will do my best to show that to you. And I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video.